Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Security and Privacy. This is where biometric data is managed. Authenticate now with your current PIN, pattern, or password so the system lets you edit fingerprints. Once done, tap Fingerprint ID or Fingerprint Management to view registered prints. You must be authenticated because fingerprints are sensitive data. The phone prevents edits otherwise. This step is the secure gate. Complete it before attempting deletion, and make sure your screen is unlocked and battery is stable to avoid interruptions. Now locate the list of saved fingerprints and tap the one you want to remove. You will see options such as rename, verify, or delete. Choose delete or remove to proceed. The device may ask for your PIN again. Enter it to confirm because this prevents accidental deletion. After confirmation, the fingerprint is erased from the secure enclave. Make sure to repeat the process for any other prints you no longer want. This ensures no biometric remains linked to your device. Finish by restarting your Realme phone. This clears any cached biometric session and ensures deletions take full effect. If you plan to use Fingerprint Unlock again, re-register prints under Fingerprint Management. Use clean fingers and follow prompts for full coverage. If deletion fails, make sure you entered the correct PIN or password and check for system updates or low storage that could block settings changes. As a troubleshooting tip, toggle security and privacy off then on, or reboot into safe mode to remove conflicts before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.